Can I get the number 1? Can I get that with poi? And then Pepsi.
Yeah.
No, that's it. I'll just do cash.
Yes.
No, you just modding and now you're gonna be cameraman.
Alright. Hey, what's up?
Wow, look at all the Kalua pig. What the? So much.
Mm-hmm. Hey, we really know how to eat poi. The lomi salmon in the poi.
Who said they did? Oh, John. Oh no, that was the chicken long rice.
The chicken long rice and the lomi salmon. Yeah, John, that's how he eat. Well, actually, he didn't. He just tried it.
I like the poi body. With all this, I was like, do you even need the poi? Oh, wow.
Yeah, but for some reason, like this one, the ice is super fine. So
Yeah, it does. It looks like. I don't like. As long
like
as
ice cream almost.
As long as it's not chunky, like
yeah.
chunky kind shave ice is like
That's how it is in the mainland.
Oh, Japan. We're gonna be in Haneda, and then we gotta catch another plane to Hokkaido because I know we've never been to Hokkaido before. So. Yeah, we can go back.
Oh yeah.
They're ordering.
Oh, they're getting for red.
Yeah, I'll just let them know that I'll meet you guys over there. They got the shave ice, so they were going back to the car. Just letting you guys know we're going. Just go back over there. We see over there.